Hello everybody, it's Dylan Medeiros here, back at you with another tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to remove the notch on the display of the OnePlus 6. I actually just grabbed this phone and picked it up off Amazon for about 749 Canadian dollars. Probably one of my best buys so far of the year. Anyways, let's get into it. So we're going to go into settings. And we're going to go into display. And once we're in display there, you're going to see a category here called notch display. Go ahead and give that a click. And here you'll be able to either show the notch area or you'll be able to hide the notch area like so. And this is what it'll look like when it's hidden. So it actually still uses the notch, but only uses the notch to display your time, Wi-Fi, service, battery, etc. So anyways, that's a little tutorial on how to remove the notch on your OnePlus 6 device. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope it works out for you.